Have you ever been scrolling through some of these website or link in bio and you get to the point where you see somebody's icon doesn't quite match up the way it should be? The way your store looks is so important. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Once you've got the picture downloaded to your computer, go ahead and jump into Canva and upload it into there. For Sandstorm beacons, the ideal number of pixels is 500 by 500. Once you've got the picture in Canva, search logos. A logo automatically starts at 500 by 500. So if you grab the picture, you're going to be able to resize it to actually fit that page. Download the picture as a PNG. Then just jump back into your store and choose to upload the new image from wherever you have it saved. At that point, you'll be able to actually crop the image to that 500 by 500 pixels. There you go. After you publish the new picture, you're going to see that it actually fits the screen and it looks a lot cleaner. If you're stuck on other tech things or you need help, shoot me a DM or check out Marketech Designs.